Actor Vijay has left his Chennai home. He leaves home 2 days after the tragic stampede. He's yet to visit Karur and meet the victims. But the breaking news information we're sharing with you at the moment, actor Vijay has left his home 2 days after the stampede. Ashish has been tracking all the finer developments for us. He joins us live currently. Ashish, can you tell us why Vijay has not yet visited Karur or met the victims' families? And what message is this sending about leadership accountability?
Look, as the death toll has mounted further to around 40, Vijay has so far not contacted or directly spoke to any of the victims' family or those persons who are injured. Right now, what the situation here is that what we are hearing from TVK, the Vijay's party sources, that the party is keen to wait till High Court hears the petition. Remember, TVK legal cell has approached to Madurai bench of Madras High Court seeking intervention in this whole matter. In fact, the petition says and requests High Court to allow a SIT or CBI probe in the whole tragedy. And the TVK leaders believe, TVK legal cell believe that it's a conspiracy behind the tragedy. It was not a man-made disaster, but certain conspiracy played that which caused the kind of stampede-like situation, and that led to over 40 deaths. Right now, the situation is Vijay left his mansion. It's a posh area in Chennai. From there, he has moved to another apartment. He has another house in Chennai. So the only time he left after his Chennai house, once he landed here from Karur on Saturday. Now he has left his house to another house, and right now what TVK sources are saying that they'll wait how High Court take up the matter, how High Court hear the matter, what observation High Court makes, and they believe that the things will come in their favor. Once that is there, definitely TVK Vijay, actor Vijay will go and meet the victims or make a formal appearance in front of media. That's what party sources are telling. What we have also learned that the party sources are also advising Vijay to approach to High Court in a separate petition to seek security to visit Karur. We need to see and wait and see that when this petition is being moved to the High Court. But right now the situation is that Vijay has left his house. He has gone to another house in Chennai, but he has not spoken to media or waved to media or reacted to the media.
Right. Meanwhile, also it's understood that Vijay has not been named in the FIR, but he's not been named in the FIR, and the DMK government is understood to be treading quite carefully regarding the matter?
Yes, you are absolutely right. In this FIR so far, Vijay has not been made. Though their parties, district workers and district office bearers have been named in the FIR, but actor Vijay, he himself, the party president, has not been named in the FIR. But many people are in fact questioning that why he has not been made. Remember, the onus lies on him because he is the party president. He was present at the time, and due to his presence, the whole crowd gathered and whole mess created there, and there was a chaos, and that led to casualties of many people. And that's where many people are questioning. In fact, the opponent of Vijay and TVK party, they are questioning that why he is not named in the FIR, at least under culpable homicide, not amounting to murder section should be included, and he should be named in the FIR. But so far, if we talk about the legality and the reality of this whole case, so Vijay has not been named in the FIR, but his party workers and his party office bearer from Karur, they have been named in the FIR, and FIR has the section which are quite significant and serious in nature.
Meanwhile, Ashish, the state has set up a one-woman commission headed by a retired High Court judge to investigate the causes of the stampede.
Yes, High Court, one retired High Court judge commission has been, they in fact have started investigating the whole tragedy. But like the opponent of TVK party, and they believe that DMK one-man commission, DMK government's appointed one-man commission will not bring the justice, and that's why there are petition in courts seeking independent inquiry by TVK party legal cell, by other persons, response, like one of the person. In fact, he approached to the Madras High Court seeking urgent hearing on Sunday. There in that petition, he sought direction from High Court to get instruction to DGP Tamil Nadu to not allow further rallies and further road shows and further event of Vijay, the TVK party president. But the High Court refused to entertain that petition as an urgent matter, and we need to see when that matter will be listed. And we need to also wait that how High Court reacts on other petition where a BJP councillor, he has approached seeking independent probe in the stampede in Karur.